you're crowding me out.
Hey.
Move over. How? You big pig, what a pig. You stepped on me, Rosie.
I'm so sorry, truly. I just wanted to join in. Will you play with me, Molly?
Not now.
Well, she wasn't very friendly.
Can I help you?
You don't look friendly. I don't think you like me.
What was your first clue?
Hi. What are you all doing? What's with them? Why are you barking at me like that? You might steal my bone. I don't want your bone. I'm actually looking for someone to play with. Oh, never mind. Let's protect this farm. Nobody can get past us.
Rosie, guarding livestock is serious business.
And that's why I am here to help. Let's pass the time. I spy with my little eye. Read the room, Rosie. I need to watch for snakes. Ranger needs to watch for foxes. Stop the foolishness. Hi, Madison. Hi, Chisel. Hi, Rosie. I'm getting ready to show my Herefords. I would make a great coach. Work it. And work. And strut. Give me more. The camera loves you.
Could you please settle down? I can't concentrate.
I was just trying to make it fun. Hey, get off!
I'm squished.
Warn a girl before you dogpile.
Get off. Get off, you big pig.
Why do I always get it wrong?
Treasure hunt. Let's do this.
I love treasure hunts.
Oh. Well, Rosie, this is just going to be a treasure hunt for a small group.
Well, that's just fine. Off we go then. No, I mean a small group of 3. Oh. Who's sitting this one out then?
Tell her. You tell her.
Well, I'm afraid you are, Rosie. Me? You never solve any clues.
You get off track.
You don't focus.
You
stop for too many snacks, Rosie. Would you like some company, Rosie? Sure. But I will probably do something wrong, and then you'll want to go. Like what? Apparently I crowd and squish and make noise when something serious is happening. I don't focus on the task at hand, so nobody likes me. People say that I have a very annoying laugh. No such thing. Every laugh is a good laugh. Would you like to play? I thought you'd never ask. Boo! Found you! And now that Cinderella had her beautiful dress and her special shoes and a coach to get her there. It was time to go to the ball, and she would dance with the It looks like our Rosie has found a best friend.
I think we were a bit too hard on Rosie. She means well. Let's be kinder to her moving forward. Rosie, would you and your new friend like to help us watch for predators?
Thank you, Ranger. I think for today, I would rather spend time with my best friend Dolly.
Excellent. Enjoy yourselves.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.